Hi guys, I think since alright, so I think that don't extend Alex. This is an Alex Church. I think that and I think that thanks. I think thanks. I think thanks. I think that thanks. I think that thing. I think that thanks. So this is so this is gonna get thanks to pranks. Cranks, actually, cousin against this prank. So actually, I go and get some straight tricks and at the day of the trick, I get in. Again, something like that. And because because over X, it's kick franks as well. So it takes cause like it takes having and like the kind sex is the get kind 16 date. Like that alright. So that kind of thing. But yeah, because I think, because then I think the kid that thanks to the further line to the sex thing and didn't help. So I didn't help against I think that wasn't right. So I can't. I don't know if getting exchanged, so it gets like a game, and go to say. I tried. I took the front. Okay, there's to the right. There's like that. So let's say that we got the decks. So we got the epic shrinks. Things get tight. You can take the squares. And we got the going the updates. We got that thing. So take that guide. And I think that guide, okay. I think that's the straight sorry. Thanks. Thanks. So I got there's our thing, got the tanks, I think so ain't. Got the tank thing, thanks. Tanks ain't tanks. Because I like the tanks because the tanks don't get the tank tank. I got the tanks. And get tanks rolling. The tanks ain't that's a right as dry. That's I think that's been I think he's like the tanks. So like that. Right. So okay guys, I got the daily. This is a trade client and takes the tape to the client to that thing ain't today. So you don't get alright, so you don't get tanks and tanks extending. So I can tank as trying to get things done and but I got the things on tank. I guess I got to get the tank. The ranks because where it's going, the coding I think to get something, so I think. But I can't do a comparing at the beginning. Like, I don't get that so that dangerous, but I can't have the ethics and the carrying this is a for erasing. Okay. Anyway, that's it, I think. Okay.